Nothing is impossible in this world. But yes, to make impossible into possible is a bit challenging. All the beautiful souls, welcome to my channel, Wellness Yoga. Today in this video, I am going to tell you something regarding men's sexual health, including how to improve sperm count naturally by doing yoga therapy and maintaining some good health habit. Nowadays, due to our fast lifestyle, reproductive health issues among men are very widely spread out. Various assisted reproductive systems like IVF have been introduced to solve this problem, but that is very costly. According to WHO, 15 million sperms per millimeter to 39 million is good enough to bear a healthy baby. Various Ayurvedic remedies along with regular yoga session are proven to be the best way to enhance the reproductive health in men. According to various studies, if one can adopt regular yoga practice can improve the quality of sperm, and it also helps to improve prostate health. Alongside, yoga can reduce stress and anxiety level, which can improve your overall health, including reproductive issues, and help to treat mild ED, erectile dysfunction. Are you amongst those males who are waiting to hear the first cry of your child and gradually waiting for hear the world's most satisfactory word, Papa? But your medical practitioner says that you have low sperm count. Are you worried? Don't worry, please. Just request you to watch the full video and follow some simple rules in life. Number 1. Don't keep cell phone in your pocket. Studies have been shown that the electromagnetic frequencies emitted from the mobile phone lower sperm count. Number 2. Avoid tobacco and alcohol. Smoking and drinking alcohol damages sperm. Have a balanced diet. It is the most important step to follow if you really want to step forward. Eat a healthy diet which is high in protein and low in fat. Eating plenty of fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains can help boost fertility. All these are rich in antioxidants that protect the sperm from damage due to the free radicals. According to Ayurveda, have some herbs to increase sperm count. Herbs like sweet musli, ashwagandha, amlauki, and shatavari have been excessively shown to increase the sperm count. Now, start the journey with me. What all the asana you have to practice regularly to increase your sexual health and to increase your sperm count and to become a proud father. 1. During practice, I don't like to speak. Make yourself cool, calm and relax and do some stretching exercise first. Janusirasana helps to tone the muscles that support the reproductive organs. Sit on a floor mat, stretch the legs in front with the toes pointing towards the ceiling. While breathing in, bring the arms up and gradually bend forward to hold the big toe of the feet. Magnificent pose for sperm mobility. Keep the arms and palms flat on the floor beside the body for support. While exhaling, bring the legs over to the head and touch the floor with the feet. Hold for 30 seconds. Boat pose. Lie in the yoga mat. Keep the eyes open throughout. Breathe in deeply. Hold the breath and then raise the legs, arms, shoulders, head and trunk of the ground. The shoulders and feet should be no more than 15 cm up in starting position. Balance the body on the buttocks and keep the spine straight. Lie flat on the back with the legs and feet together. Place the arms beside the body with the palms facing down. Relax the whole body. Raise both legs to the vertical position, keeping them straight and together, using only the abdominal muscles. Press down on the arms and lift the buttocks, rolling the back away from the floor. Lower the legs over the head. Turn the palms up, bend the elbow and place the hands behind the rib cage to support the back. Relax and hold the final pose for as long as it is comfortable. Lie flat on the stomach with the legs straight, feet together and the sole of the feet uppermost. Place the palms of the hands flat on the floor, below and slightly to the side of the shoulders with the fingers together and pointing forward. Position the arms so that the elbow point backward and are close to the sides of the body. Rest the forehead on the floor and close the eyes. Relax the whole body, especially the lower back. Slowly raise the head. Gently tilt the head backward so that the chin points forward and the back of the neck is compressed. Then raise the neck and then the shoulders. Puppy pose is a mix between child pose and downward facing dog. Making sure your hips are straight above your knees and your shoulders are straight above your wrists for proper alignment. Curl your toes under as you bring your hands a few inches in front of you. Then press your hands into the ground while moving your buttocks slightly back towards your ankle. Rest your forehead on the ground on a blanket, towel or yoga mat for comfortable. Stay in this position for 30 seconds. Stand with the spine erect, feet together and hands beside the body. Relax the body. Distribute the weight of the body evenly on both feet. Slowly bend forward, first bending the head, taking the chin towards the chest, then bending the upper trunk, relaxing the shoulders forward and letting the arms go limp. Bend the middle trunk and finally the lower trunk. Do not strain or force the body. Place the fingers underneath the toes or bring the palms to the floor beside the feet. If this is not possible, bring the fingertips as near to the floor as possible. Relax the back of the neck. The body is bent forward with the knees straight and the forehead close to or touching the knees. Down dog to plank position. For down dog, go to the plank position and hold as much as possible. Raise alternate leg and go to the Bhujanga Asana. Repeat this step for 5 times. Lie flat on the stomach with the legs and feet together and the arms and hands beside the body. Bend the knees and bring the heels close to the buttocks. Grasp the ankle with the hands. Keep the knees and thighs firmly on the floor and the arms straight throughout the practice. Place the chin on the floor. This is tense the legs and push the feet backwards while raising the head and chest as high as possible from the floor without straining. This is Kegel exercise, proven to be the one of the best way to increase sex life alongside sperm count for men. Lie on your back with your legs extended out and your arms at your side. Then bend your knees upward, bringing your heels close to your buttocks. Raise your hips to the sky, pressing into your feet and arms. Your thighs and feet should be parallel and your thighs should also be parallel with the ground. Hold this position for as much as you can. For better option, you can lift your toe. Along with all this asana, you need to practice some breathing exercise, that is pranayama, on a regular basis. Do Kapalbhati Kriya, then Anulam Vilam, Bhamri and Utkit Pranayama accordingly. I have given the link of all pranayama details in the description box. I am Sammy, Yogi Sammy. And thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day.